New at 6, Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt says he wants tax cuts and he doesn't want to wait until the next legislative session to make it happen.
That's right. Fox 23's weekend anchor Rick Marinon learns Stitt is considering calling lawmakers back to the state capitol for a special session to get it done.
The leaders of the Oklahoma House and Senate say they expect Governor Stitt to call for another special session soon. Stitt says he's weighing his options, but lawmakers need to cut taxes soon.
Everything's on the table. I'm considering what is the right timing to bring in the legislature to ask for a tax cut.
Stitt is standing by his position that an income tax cut, a business tax cut, and an elimination of the state's portion of the grocery sales tax needs to be eliminated, things he wanted during the last regular session. Instead, state lawmakers used part of the state's surplus to boost funding for education and set up new tax credit programs. Some are concerned we are entering into a recession that will cause current revenue levels to drop and could cause services to be cut while also dealing with inflation.
Let's invest certain things, but then let's give some of that back to the taxpayer.
Stitt says there is so much surplus, a cut can happen that will not jeopardize the budget, but also attract new business to the state.
If we could have a competitive advantage over Texas or some of these other states, and we would tax these businesses, a small amount or get it down to zero. If we can be better than every other state, we can win some of those corporate moves.
This would not be the first special session this year. In fact, the House and Senate just wrapped up a special session that was 2 months long on July 31st. That was in order to override any vetoes Stitt gave of the budget and also to override those 2 tribal compacts of vehicle registration and tobacco sales on tribal lands. Covering news that matters, I'm Rick Marinon, Fox 23 News.